Okay, class, now we proceed to activity number 2. We are still in the same page, that is page 75 in our student's book. Student's book, page 75, activity 2. It says here, ask and answer. Ask, the boy is asking, and then the girl is answering. Let us listen.
Activity 2. Ask and answer.
Where were you yesterday evening?
I was at home.
Alright, now so we are going to ask, where were you yesterday? And then we answer, I was at the shopping center. And then there's few suggestions here. I was at school, I was at the park, I was at the zoo, and so on. Alright, now we read together. You have to read it out so that you will get familiar with the questions and the answer. Alright, I count 3, we start together. The question is this, and then the answer is this and this. We read together. Yeah, we read together. Ready? I count 3. 3, 2, 1. Where were you yesterday? I was at the shopping center. Now we come to here. Where were you yesterday? I was at school. Where were you yesterday? I was at the park. Where were you yesterday? I was at the zoo. Where were you yesterday? I was at the bookshop. Where were you yesterday? I was at the restaurant. Where were you yesterday? I was at the toy shop. Alright, now the question we change. Instead of where were you, we will ask where was he yesterday? And then we are going to answer he was, and so on. Ready? These 3 we use he, and then these 3 places we use she. Okay? Now we start with where was he. Ready? 3, we read together. 3, 2, 1. Where was he yesterday? He was at the shopping center. Where was he yesterday? He was at school. Where was he yesterday? He was at the park. Where was he yesterday? He was at the zoo. Alright, now we change to she. Where was she yesterday? She was at the bookshop. Where was she yesterday? She was at the restaurant. Where was she yesterday? She was at the toy shop. Okay, are you following? Now we come to this. We are going to ask, instead of you, he, she, we're going to ask they. Where were they yesterday? They were. Okay, ready? We read together. I count 3 and then we start. 3, 2, 1. Where were they yesterday? They were at the shopping center. Where were they yesterday? They were at school. Where were they yesterday? They were at the park. Where were they yesterday? They were at the zoo. Where were they yesterday? They were at the bookshop. Where were they yesterday? They were at the restaurant. Where were they yesterday? They were at the toy shop. Okay, class, if you prefer, you can always replay. I mean, you play again this video and then try to read many times. Yeah, try to read the question and the answer many times so that you get the structure of asking and answering. Thank you very much.